Have you been trying to buy your first home? Let me give you one easy way to save money for your first home. So sometime last year, I talked to you guys about how you can buy your first home by saving $100 a week, and it only takes you 3 to 6 years to buy your first home. I'm going to tell you how exactly you can do this. The first step is to change your mindset. So you have to be really flexible with your mindset. Buying your first home with very small amount of deposit and saving $100 a week is not going to be very cheap. So you have to be prepared to pay a higher price. So if you save $100 a week, in 1 year you will have around $5,000. So in 6 years you have $30,000, and that should be enough to buy your first home if the price of that home is $600,000.
That will get you quite a decent home in Sydney.
Depending on whether you are an Australian citizen or not, and whether you are buying a brand new property or a second-hand one, you may need to pay what's called a lender's mortgage insurance. And generally speaking, this is quite expensive. Your interest rate also may be higher compared to if you have a bigger deposit. Now, last year I talked to you about how you can save $100 a week in a way that's not that hard, but it's not super easy. So you have to do a few different changes to your living expenses, like making coffee at home, not eating outside, buying half-price groceries at the supermarkets, and traveling during off-peak periods. But today I will tell you exactly how you can save $100 a week without doing any of these complicated things. You're going to need a few equipment. One is you need to get yourself a deck of cards. And then 2, you need a cute little piggy bank. So what you do is you shuffle the cards. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. And then every day in the morning you draw one card. So here I have 6 spades. What you do is you add $10 onto the numbers shown on the card. So today you will need to put in $16. Put it into your cute little piggy bank. And if your piggy bank doesn't fit, then you may need to fold the card and put it in. If it still doesn't fit, well, don't worry about folding the card. You just put in the actual money. If you don't have the required notes, what you do is you don't put in a card. So you keep the card with you, and then the next day you repeat the same thing. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. So the next day you get a jack. So with a jack, this is $11 plus $10, so you need to put $21. And remember from the day before you had to put $16. 16 plus 21, 37. And if you don't have $37 in your wallet, then you wait until the next day. Shovel, shovel, shovel. I got a joker. If you have a joker, you need to put in $100. So I need to put in $137. But with a joker, you are able to round it down. So $137, round it down to $100. So for today, I only need to put $100. You can tell I never used a piggy bank before. There you go. It really doesn't fit, hey? Okay, so that's 3 days worth of saving, and the next day you continue. So the rules are: ace is number 1, so that means $1 plus $10, $11 for that day. 8 means number 8 plus 10, so that's $18. If you get a jack, that's 11. Queen is 12. king is 13, joker means you put in $100. So if you do this consistently every day, on average you will be putting in at least $15 because your cards are from 1 to 10. In fact, there's the jack, queen, king, and also the joker. So you will actually put in more than $15 each day on average. But even if it is $15 times 365 days in a year, in 1 year you will be saving $5,000, 475. So if you're a couple, boyfriend, girlfriend, then each of you should be playing this card separately. So altogether within 3 years, you will already have $50,000. So that's my secret of buying my first home within 3 years. The reason this method works is that you do this when you wake up every day, so that you know the money actually goes inside your piggy bank. You don't even need to think about how to save money and whether you can buy yourself a cup of coffee today, because naturally if you already put the money in, you have no money left for the day and you don't end up buying your coffee. So it's easier compared to starting with the goal of not buying a coffee. Good luck guys, and I will see you in the next video.
I'm about to go out for my interview with Jimmy Fallon. I'll call you back after I comb my hair. Talk to you in 3 hours. Wow, I look fantastic.